Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, back with another video. So yeah, today is gonna be the last ride with the ZX10R, and then it's time to sell it off. I actually made a night ride video too, last night ride with the ZX10R, but then the road was completely filled with traffic and it wasn't really worth it. But if it's any good, I'll try to post it. Right now we're going to a place called Mavtur. And I've never been to this place before, so it's kind of fun to see. New place. The road is good. This place looks good, man. Only if there was a bit of sunlight. It wasn't cloudy these many days. God damn. Woo. This view is pretty good. Actually tried many things on this bike, like launch control and then cruise control, wheelie control. I don't know how to do a wheelie, but maybe I can learn. Not on this bike though. A good pull. I don't know where my boys are though. Oh, blue sky. That's nice. What the hell is this? Huh. Actually shooting in normal color profile. There won't be much color grading, to be honest. Woo! That's a really good view. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but damn. Alright guys, we just parked our bikes over there and then we walked over here. So we're at Mur Dam. This is Mur Dam. Look at the view over there, just mountains, peaks. It's all pretty cool, pretty nice. So I know it's not much of, the bike over here, but just a small little glimpse of where we are at for you guys. It's looking pretty calm, pretty nice with all the atmosphere and everything. That looks pretty cool, man. I want to go there. Although you guys remember Shivagange, I was up there somewhere in Shivagange with that kind of clouds. So yeah, I'm not doing that again. So yeah, I'll just stop recording for now. If I find any cool shots, I'll film that. And since I've kept the color profile to normal, it's picking up everything perfectly, I hope. Alright guys, we're leaving the lake now. So yeah, this is the last view. It's pretty cool, pretty neat, pretty calm actually. We had a good time just talking about stuff. We're gonna go have breakfast somewhere ahead right now, and after that I'll leave home. I don't know about the boys, probably they'll go further. But yeah, great place, nice views. Thanks to Alan, we got a lot of good photos. Go check out my Instagram to see all the photos that Alan has taken. But yeah, this is like the last photo shoot with the bike, and now we're gonna go home and I'm gonna film a little bit of it. I just can't say anything, to be honest. It's just I can only express it through riding it, but I'm really lucky to have owned this bike. Alright, Alan's leaving. He has to leave somewhere close by. I have to go a bit straight. The dealer told he'll come and pick up the bike tomorrow. I'll get it washed and keep it ready, all the stuff. I don't know if you guys know, this bike had an aero exhaust, a full system aero exhaust. It was just awesome when it had that, but then, as you guys know, I had to get it stock because I just wanted to have the freedom to go wherever I want. Now I can go wherever I want because it's stock. I didn't add any carbon parts to it because I always knew this bike wasn't, you know, permanent kind of thing. It was gonna go. I knew that. That's why I didn't invest on this bike much. Only few repairs and services. Other than that, yeah, nothing else. But this bike has helped me a lot on YouTube. I just want to thank it. You know, without this bike, maybe I wouldn't have reached where I am now. So I owe that to the ZX10R. Even on Instagram, I don't think I would have reached, you know, 100 followers and all that without this bike. Hopefully the next owner takes as good care of it as I have, or even better. That's even more awesome. Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is the last time you'll see the ZX10R. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please drop a like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.